Good afternoon. One of the guys in the group let me know that the video is actually an image. Imagine my frustration. So let's do a market recap on Monday. Starting with the dollar index, this won't be long. What I'm looking at is we have a holiday on Thursday because of Good Friday. So best to be done before that. Um, man, price already hit the target, went back down there. And on the first video, I remember saying I don't really know where the dollar's going. I know we're bearish, but where it's going, I'd be lying if I say I know. I was looking at Euro USD, um, Euro USD, looking for that level, which is a monthly breaker. Let me just show that. Yeah, we bought here. So I'm looking for price to get up there. So right now, it's not giving us opportunity higher. I'm looking at this fair value gap on the daily chart. Would be nice to see price draw down into that. We opened up and we're kind of closing above yesterday's price. So it would be nice to see price come back and take down these lows and then market structure shift and then we go higher. GBP USD is looking like a better buy. It's in a continuation pattern. It's been rallying for how many days now? One, two, three, four, for 4 days, So I want to see how we react when we get there. And gold showed me flames today. I was looking at gold longs, but clearly they're not ready yet. It found short-term support, but it didn't give me what I wanted. So let me see. Yeah, let's go on the daily chart. On the daily chart, you can see we have a break over here. It's actually standing here because it's on the 4-hour chart. I took this week's range and I extended it out from the support area to the top. So that's why I have a possible new high. And on the daily chart, we have this fair value gap. So I'm just on my hands. Like I took a less than 1% loss on the funded account on gold. So it would be nice to see how gold reacts. And if I have to define this fair value gap, it actually aligns with this breakout, right? From the daily to the 4-hour. It aligns with this. So it would be nice to see gold come down here and then possibly go higher. This pair, this last week's move, post CPI, before CPI, gave us higher prices. So I'm looking for an expansion higher. I drew out this fair value gap, but it looks like it's a little bit too far for the market to come down to. And we have a new week opening gap right here, the market gapped. So the fact that we're trading above it, we just need to see what the market will do. But I'm expecting higher prices on US 100. I'm expecting higher prices on US 30 as well. Mm. But I need us to come back down to discount, man. I need us to drop. I need us to drop back down to these areas right here, take down stops, and then go higher. The only thing that is keeping me bullish is the fact that we have a 4-hour fair value gap that is still holding, as well as this pair right here. I didn't have German 30. Let me actually open up German 30. It's US 40, yeah. No, German 40. All right, so narrative, if I have to look at the chart and tell a story, we took out sell side liquidity, right? On the monthly time frame. We sold up here on a monthly time frame. So since we have this, as much as we had white candles going up, this black candle came back down to balance the range. So now we're in a buy program. Where are we going? We're trying to cover this black candle because there's no price action there. So it's an imbalanced range. There's nothing clear there. On the 4 hour time frame, we have this fair value gap. Sorry, this bullish order block. So this whole consolidation, if you look at it, these candles are equal in terms of, or at least the wicks are not the same, but yeah, they're equal. We also have a fair value gap on the 4 hour time frame, which is confirming that we are bullish. I took longs on this pair today, but I was premature and the stops were tight. So yeah, it stopped me out. Woohoo. So tomorrow, what I'm expecting is to see price come back down, clear this low, and then London session I could go higher. And I'm expecting that as my weekly draw on liquidity, which is that this breaker. Let me just highlight that. Yeah, this breaker over here. Right, they bought here to take out highs, right? So yeah, price is definitely gonna come back down there. I think for me, this market, if gold doesn't give me a good opportunity tomorrow, this market will be a better off trade compared to Nasdaq them because they're just consolidating. And this is also a market maker buy model. So we have a market structure shift over here and we're failing to go lower. So I just want to see how price reacts around these areas and then go long. And obviously this high is the first target. And obviously after that is that. So yeah, the video is kind of short because yesterday I was talking a lot only to find that it's not recording. So yeah, until the next video, happy trading.